fantastic news, guys. Today, I'm gonna get to cover the World Championships match play rounds for you guys. We got 4 guys in the number. Chris, who else is in there? BJ, what's up, Matt?
What's up, buddy?
And Kyle. Yeah, Kyle just made it. He tied for the last spot. No roll off. They tied 15th and 16th. So we'll get some coverage for you guys today. What we got, Chris?
High Road Max, water bottle. Trend, shout out Jason. Domo, like the channel, subscribe.
Sponsor our videos. Sponsor Bowl DMC.
I wish the block was 5 games, not 8 games.
I wish it was 2.
Because this has been as hard a tournament to ever prep and watch in a long time. I will say this, we're actually going to bowl match play because the 30 pins will actually mean a lot today. So that will be fun.
It will mean.
That will be fun.
Is the ball today?
What is it?
The one that's going to hit the 1-3 or the 1-2?
What can all of you know, when we get to this match play, they seem like they always play different, right?
I feel like they play different every round.
Every round, yeah, so. Can't have the same exact game plan. Good try.
Starting at the bottom once again.
Yes, Daddy. See, this is where I like it. Expectations on the bottom. It's only up. Can't go down.
Kyle likes to hit from the back.
And bowlers, without further delay, your lanes are coming on
practice.
for your 5-minute warm-up. 5 minutes.
I gotta practice. I don't. I don't want to touch a ball for the next 24 hours.
I'm not going. I'm just kidding. I'm practicing it. I'm practicing at lunch.
A Walter appreciation shout out. The man's a beast. He's currently in the show after the first 2 games of match play. 5-10 over after 2. No one else has a clue.
And they're not easy. I would know.
Shout out Walter. Father Barnes. Is Walter gonna make this show?
Man, they might be gross.
He's got 5-10 after 2.
He's not afraid to dig in, and that's about as far as I've seen him throw in about 8 years. So.
Apparently Prather and Kyle have beef.
Dude, nothing better than some beef in the bowling room. Because you can't get away from it.
And we got beef in the house. It's close to home.
Who do you think would win at this fight?
Kyle.
Me too. Yeah, Kyle gets real mad.
There's a 3-0 to Kyle. I mean, Prather gets pretty mad too.
Yeah. But then Prather tries to mend fences, and Kyle just tries to, like, murder. Kyle's like a bullet. He just sees red. He just sees red.
Angry.
I don't know why. Listen, I'm not trying to create any more beef here, but Prather just missed a 7-pin, and I heard Kyle say at nice spare and stick his hand out for a high five. It might have happened.
Here's the situation in the Kyle versus Prather match. Kyle is down by 18. KP just needs a strike in the 10 for 240, and he wins. Kyle can punch out for 239. Let's see if he's got it. That was intense. Is this a foreshadow?
Teammates.
The magic ball of the day, 8-0. High Road Max, baby. Look at that.
Maximum power.
Let's go.
Max amount of wins today.
Maximum allotment of victory.
Well, Chris absolutely crushed him in the first round. He's 8-0. Got 8 more games later. And during the breaks, we get to practice. Yeah, everybody that missed the cut. So I'm gonna try to remember how to bowl again. Enjoy. Round 2. Chris is at 4th. Let's go. What are we looking at?
So, first, second, third are all in the show by a mile. It got a little close. I don't know the exact details, but fourth and fifth are Kyle and not that Kyle. Troop and Chris. I don't know who's fourth, who's fifth. It's close. And then Dom is sixth. Kyle just beat him. So,
I think Prather's kind of close too in 8th.
Bill,
You still got a pop.
yeah, Bill is in 7th. He wasn't too far back. So yeah, we get like a 210 here,
Okay,
220.
well, here's the line assignments.
You'll be all right.
13,
It'll be all right.
14. 5 players advancing to the Fox telecast Saturday at 2 p.m. And here they are.
That's right. That's what we do, baby. We make major telecasts.
Should we interview the interviewer?
Who's the interviewer?
Well, I'm supposed,
You're the
supposed to
interviewer.
interview for Storm, but
So how do you feel about interviewing the number 4 seed for the World Championships?
I'm just lucky that we got a lot of really good bowlers, and the tour team is really, really good. And you know, that's it. Storm's got great bowlers, and we got a great tour team, and we got great bowling balls.
Well, I wish you the best of luck in your interview.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
It's not really an interview. We're just closing the vlog out, but
Here, I'll step down.
I'll step up. Yeah.
There we go.
Now I'm taller. Yeah, this is different. This is nice. Yeah. Nice work. Any words for the fans?
I love you. Click the like button.
Hey.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, that's all I got. I don't really know what else to say. Do you have anything to say?
I think his new nickname is Major Chris.
Oh, man.
He's the new Major. We gotta get a dub though.
Well, yeah, that's what I'm saying. You can't call him.
But you're making the shows. You're making the shows.
I mean, that's one thing which I'm very
It's the
happy
first
of
step.
and I'm very proud of. I can't get that name until I start winning them.
All right. Well, win this one.
It'd be offensive to Major Miko.
Just win this one, and then we'll call you Major Chris.
I'm down.
Then it's legit.
Let's do it.
All right. Cool. Nice work. Peace.